Ever been frustrated by a loading screen or slow video buffering? Tired of slow Wi-Fi? Before you spend money on expensive upgrades, try this simple trick. Your router placement might be the reason your Wi-Fi is slow. Walls, furniture, and even microwaves can block your signal. Move your router to a higher spot away from walls and electronics. This boosts your signal instantly. Here are some more advanced tips to boost your Wi-Fi. 1. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app to find the best channel for your router. This can significantly reduce interference and improve your connection. 2. Update your router's firmware to the latest version. Manufacturers often release updates that can enhance performance and security. 3. Consider using a mesh Wi-Fi system for better coverage in larger homes. Mesh systems can eliminate dead zones and ensure a strong signal throughout your entire space. Still not fast enough? Try this DIY hack using aluminum foil to direct the signal, or upgrade with a Wi-Fi extender. Link in the description. Stronger signal equals faster internet. Try this now and comment if it worked. Need a stronger boost? Check out the best Wi-Fi extenders below.